Studies show 85% of people lose confidence for months after a single major failure, yet some bounce back stronger within days. Today, you'll learn the fastest way to rebuild confidence after setbacks, and the counterintuitive shift that turns failure into momentum. Quick thought: what's the biggest failure that still haunts you? Drop it in the comments. You might inspire someone else's comeback. Many believe failure leaves a permanent scar. In reality, the brain rewires confidence faster than we assume. Reframe failure as temporary friction, not identity damage. Failure fades, if you let it. People wait for one huge success to restore self-belief. Science shows stacking small daily wins restores self-trust quicker. Chase progress, not perfection. Small wins build big confidence. Surprisingly, those who fail publicly often rebound stronger. Social accountability forces faster learning and resilience. Share your journey openly. Vulnerability accelerates growth. Exposure fuels resilience. Confidence is a fixed personality trait. It's trainable like a muscle, built through repetition. Treat confidence like a workout plan. Confidence is practiced, not gifted. Each failure reduces fear's sting if you keep acting. Avoidance cements insecurity. Repetition dissolves it. Set small challenges and repeat them until they feel normal. Repetition kills fear. Waiting for motivation slows recovery. Momentum restores confidence faster. Take a small action within 24 hours after a failure. Action creates belief. If this is resonating, hit subscribe. Don't miss the next comeback strategy. Confidence can be contagious. Surrounding yourself with resilient people accelerates your bounce back. Lean on communities or mentors who remind you of your potential. Borrow belief until yours returns. Perfectionism seems protective but actually delays recovery. Progress, not perfection, restores identity quicker. Celebrate good enough steps. Perfect kills progress. Every failure is loaded with data. Those who analyze bounce back faster than those who avoid reflection. Write down 3 learnings from each setback. Failure whispers, if you listen. Most breakthroughs happen right after people almost quit. Recovery accelerates when you endure through the messy middle. Push one more round after discouragement. The second win changes everything. True confidence isn't about one success, but adopting the identity of a resilient person. Tell yourself, I'm the type who always bounces back. Identity outlasts setbacks. Confidence after failure isn't luck. It's built step by step. Micro wins, repetition, reflection, and identity shifts. Failures are not walls, they're launchpads. If you want deeper strategies on resilience and growth, the next video will take you even further. Not professional advice. Consult a qualified expert as needed.